Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react the BGYO performs Patintero live on Wish 107.5 bus video. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So guys, if you haven't seen my reaction video to the official music video of this song Patintero of BGYO, just check on my channel. So I'm really excited for this one because this is their live performance on Wish Bus. So let's check this video of them. Wishclusive. Ooh! Wow! The energy of Mickey. Galing talaga niya mag-rap. Ooh! Mickey's energy. Nate. Ooh! The harmony of JL, Aki, and Jello sounds so good. Plus the ad-libs of Mickey and Nate. Wow, perfect. Ooh, they really improved. Especially singing live. Ang ganda nila pakinggan ah. Yaman ang nakarapatan. Wow guys, gustong-gusto ko yung energy nila, especially pag open ng kanta, yung kay Mickey. Wow, grabe yung energy ni Mickey. Ang galing talaga niya mag-rap. Oh. Then, yung pagkanta ng tatlo guys, yung kay JL, kay Aki, at saka kay Jello, ang ganda pakinggan ng ano nilang harmony. So, it's really nice listening to them. They really improve a lot. Wow, gusto ko rin yung ano nila guys, yung yung attire nila ba, parang colorful, parang youth ang dating talaga. So, ang ganda lang nila pakinggan. Anong drama dito sa kay JL yung may puti dito? Grabe yung falsetto ni JL sa. Yabang lang ang ganda ng boses ni Aki. Comfortable na sila ngayong kumanta ng live sa. Hindi na marang awkward na tingnan, pero ito, tingnan mo. Komportable sila. Cool na cool din yung kanta nila. Summer na summer vibes ba? Ang galing na din mag-adlib nila. This is BGYO. Wow. Nice. Nag-improve talaga sila, especially when it comes to singing live. Kitang-kita mo naman yung performance nila ngayon sa live sa Wish Bus. Komportable na sila kumanta ng live. So ang ganda lang pakinggan nila. Parang nakikita mo talaga yung improvements nila. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the live performance of BGYO on Wish 107.5 bus with the song entitled Patentero. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.